Today, I want to delve into a crucial component of our modern world, the silicon chip industry. Silicon chips are the backbone of our technology, powering everything from smartphones to computers and even advanced artificial intelligence systems. The silicon chip industry has seen remarkable growth and innovation over the past few decades. As technology continues to evolve, the demand for smaller, faster, and more efficient chips has skyrocketed. But what exactly drives this industry? First, advancements in technology. With the rise of the Internet of Things, 5G networks, and artificial intelligence, the need for powerful silicon chips has never been greater. These chips enable devices to process vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently, making them essential for modern applications. Second, global supply chains. The silicon chip industry is a complex web of suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. Major players like Intel, TSMC, and Samsung are at the forefront of chip production, but they rely on a network of companies for raw materials, equipment, and design. Understanding these supply chains is crucial, especially in light of recent disruptions caused by global events. Third, innovation and research. The industry is characterized by rapid technological advancements. Companies invest heavily in research and development to create smaller, more powerful chips. Innovations such as 3D chip stacking and advanced materials are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, enabling new applications and enhancing performance. However, the silicon chip industry faces challenges as well. Geopolitical tensions and trade disputes can impact supply chains and access to markets. For example, restrictions on technology transfer and export controls can hinder collaboration and innovation. Additionally, there's a growing emphasis on sustainability. As the demand for chips increases, so does the need for environmentally friendly manufacturing processes. Companies are exploring ways to reduce energy consumption and minimize waste throughout the production cycle. Looking ahead, the future of the silicon chip industry is promising. Emerging technologies like quantum computing and advanced AI present new opportunities for growth. As we continue to rely on technology in our daily lives, the role of silicon chips will only become more critical. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more discussions on technology and innovation, and share your thoughts on the silicon chip industry in the comments below. Let's explore the exciting future of this essential industry together.